7,000 hours. That's how long it takes for rot to become royalty again. This isn't just a restoration. This is the archaeology of elegance. We found this 1963 Bentley S3 Continental in a Sussex barn, where it had slept for 32 years. Every surface was surrendering to time. And for the next year, this workshop became a sanctuary where we would listen to what the rust was trying to tell us. The first rule: rust isn't the enemy, it's the witness. Each flake contains the car's history. The coastal roads it traveled, the winters it endured. We don't attack it, we interrogate it. See these color bands? Orange here, black here. This tells us exactly how the moisture penetrated. And more importantly, where the original metal still lives beneath. Most restorers would cut this entire section out. We're going to save 90% of it. A Bentley isn't made of steel. It's made of 3 conversations: wood speaking to leather, leather speaking to chrome, chrome speaking to light. Our job is to translate between them. For the woodwork, it's about patience, applying grain filler with a French polishing pad, a soft, rhythmic sound. For the Connolly leather, it's about rejuvenation, injecting leather feed into sun-cracked seats, feeling it plump back to life. And for the bright work, it's about rebirth, an electrolysis bath bringing a door handle back from the brink, one tiny bubble at a time. I remember the smell. My father's S3, the walnut dash warming in the sun, that particular scent of old money and beeswax. We've caught it. That's the true restoration, not of the object, but of the memory it contains. This is the moment before the first start in 32 years. This is where we listen most carefully. The ignition clicks. The 6.2-liter V8 turns over once, twice, and catches. The engine breathes again, a quiet symphony of mechanical perfection. Luxury isn't about newness, it's about patience. The original craftsmen at Crewe spent 4 months building this car. We spent 12 months listening to what they left behind. The final result isn't a restored car. It's a continued conversation. Some machines are meant to make noise. This one was designed to make silence feel beautiful. Thank you for listening with us.